Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are good, fit and fine. Children, you all are welcome to our class 1. Subject Science. Topic Lesson number 7, our body. Subtopic Growing up. So children, what is the name of lesson number 7 of science? Yes, our body. Children, as you can see, today we are going to learn the interesting portion of lesson number 7, our body, that is growing up. So children, shall we start? Before start our portion, let us revise what did we learn in our previous video. So children, we studied about parts of the body and their functions. Yes? Which body parts we learn? Hands and legs. Yes? Now what are their functions? So children, with the help of our hands, what we can do? We draw, we write, we push and hold the things or object with the help of our hands. Yes. With the help of our legs, we jump, we walk and we run. Yes. Hope you got that very well. After that, we learnt about sense organs and their functions. Yes. So children, how many sense organs are there? Yes. There are 5 sense organs. Yes. Which are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin are the sense organs. Yes. Children, to watch this video, which sense organ you are using? Yes, you are using your eyes. For watching this video, you are using your eyes. Eyes is a sense organ. Hope you got that very well. Revise and recall. This one you can see on page number 59. Children, if you got the previous video very well, you can give the answer very well. Yes? Fill in the blanks using correct words. Number 1, we draw, write, hold and push objects with the help of our dash. So what is the right answer? Options are there, legs and hands. So right answer is hands. As we saw now only. Yes? As we have revised just now. Yes? Second, eyes, nose, ears, tongue and dash are called sense organs. As we know that the answer is skin. Yes? 2 options are there. Which are they? Hair and skin. And the right answer is skin. Number 3, dash help us to hear sounds. So children, which one is the right answer? Ears or eyes? So the right answer is ears. Ears help us to hear sounds. So children, this one you have to write. Okay. So shall we move forward to our portion? Growing up. So children, first of all we will read this. So keep your finger on the first line and try to read with me. When we were born, we were small babies. A baby boy or baby girl grows into a boy or girl. A boy or girl grows into a young man or young woman. All men and women grow old with time. Grown up people are called adults. So children, see this picture. This one you can see in your textbook also. Yes, you can identify this very well. If you have baby brother or baby sister at your home, then you can understand this very well. Yes. So children, now we will see here step by step. Okay. Growing up. So children, first of all, we should know about what is meant by this growing up. So children, growing up, it means mature. It means mature or behave in responsible way. Growing up, it means behave in responsible way. It means bade hona. Yes. So children, when we were born, we were small babies. When we were born, no, at the starting, so what? We were small babies. Yes, we were small babies, as you can see in the picture. See this second picture. Now we can see baby and boy also. Now one arrow has given here. What this arrow indicates us, or what this arrow show us? So see children, a baby boy or baby girl grows into a boy or girl. Children, this one we have read this before. Yes, now I am explaining you. Yes, for your better understanding. A baby boy or baby girl grows into a boy or girl. So children, if the baby boy is there, then that baby boy grows into a boy. If a baby girl is there, then this baby girl grows into a girl. Yes, in this picture we can see baby boy is there, grows up into a boy. That is why this arrow has shown. Getting children? A boy or girl grows into a young man or woman. Now see this picture. Now children, I am showing this you step by step. First of all, we have seen about baby, then boy. Now we are looking about how it grows in young man or women. A boy or girl grows into young man or women. Now at the starting when we were born, we were baby. Then grows into boy. And next one, as the time passes, that baby boy grows into young man. Yes, as you can see in the picture, this is the picture of young man. All men and women grow old with time. Grown up people called adults. So children, all men and all women grow old, as you can see in the picture. Yes, first of all baby, then boy, then number 3 man, and as the time passes, men or women grows old like this old man. Yes, as the time passes, get old with time. Yes, grown up people called adults. So children, what is mean by adult? The person who fully grown up. Yes, grown up, it means adults. So children, in this way we learned, we study about growing up. It means bade hona, how we grown up. Hope you got that very well, children. Now what you have to do, children? What did we learn in today's video? You have to read it properly. Yes, you have to read it properly. Then you can send a clip also. Yes, video clip also of 1 or 2 minute. Yes, whatever we learned in this video, no. So make a short clip, video clip of 1 or 2 minute and send it on group. Yes, children. So hope you got that very well. Is it interesting portion? No. So the remaining portion we will see in the next video. So children, till then, thank you and take care.